At this point, we're going to take a minute to actually clean up our project. Going into your outliner, select all the objects within your scene. So you can shift select those. Then go into edit, delete all by type and select history. At this moment, you can start deleting all your curves as they will no longer be needed. Get in the habit of start renaming all the objects properly. So I'll go one by one and renaming them. This one I will call frame. This one battery box. Screw, cylinder, and battery box. I'm gonna group them together. Yeah, the whole entire group I'll call battery box. This piece I'll call bumper. These objects I'll group together and call them spoiler. If you want to take out an object from a current group, select Shift P. To add an object to a group, you can click and middle mouse drag and let go. I'll call this piece shell, and once I'm through labeling all my objects within my scene, I will grab them by shift selecting them, and I will make all of them into one single group, and we can label it CR car. With the CR car group selected, add it into the layer. You can turn at this moment your grid back on by clicking on this button on your perspective view. And at this moment, we are going to start creating the remote control.